type whatever you want, then in Layers panel, right click on the text layer and select Rasterize layer. Now hold Ctrl key and click on your layer to select its pixels. Now from Edit menu, select Copy and then delete your layer and tap Ctrl D to deselect everything. From Filter menu, select Vanishing Point. Now tap 4 points to draw a rectangle on the surface you want to add text. Tap Ctrl V to paste and move it to the rectangle. Resize it and tap Enter. Then double click on the new layer and in Layer Style window hold Alt key to make the handle to a half. Move handles to get your result, and that's all. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching.